right? So I started with a surface area of just the walls, right? You go length times height and width times height, right? Both heights are multiplied, then you know it's just the walls. So then you get 350 square feet of walls, correct? Are we good there? Yeah. Oh, you guys just, it's 700, right? Plan B. So surface area of walls, I know math, just Fridays are bad, right? So we got 2 times 15 times 10 plus 2 times 20 times 10, correct? So that gives us, this is 300, and this is 400, right? That's 700 square feet. Perfect. We need surface area to be painted, right? I would go 700 square feet. I will subtract 2 windows, right? I will subtract the 1 door and another door. Are we good? Right? And so because I did this, 4 times 8 is 32, minus 21 minus 28. Help me out. What is this? Surface area to be painted? 619? Yeah? Okay. Square feet. Okay, perfect. So now this is good. I needed to know all of this. So you're gonna get to keep this, guys. All this work for you to keep, but I think you still learned a lot. And so primer. Let's do primer. 1 coat, right? Primer. I make a note that it's 1 coat only. So do you want to really do this? Well, I don't know. Sometimes it's good to do that. So this is how much I need to paint, and I know that 1 can of primer covers 16.7 square meters, and that is a problem, right? And you want to convert that to square feet, right? I know that 1 foot, right? 1 foot covers 0.3048 meters, correct? I need to square that, and then it will cancel out. That gives me 16.7 square meters, 1 square foot over 0.0929, and that keeps going, square meters. Okay, and these square meters cancel out, right? And then when you divide that, you know that that gives you 179.757. It keeps going, square feet, correct? This actually would be a full mark for me in my books. You converting that is a full mark, right? So we need to now figure out, we know that one can will cover this square footage, right? So to figure out cans, we just go 619 square feet and just divide it by that 179.757 and so forth. Because I made that horrible mistake, I need to actually go from scratch here, right? That is 3.44, right? Something, which is how many cans in total? Always round up. If it's point anything, you round up, 4 cans. So the cost would be 4 times, where are we here? $75.99 times 1.12. And so what's that? 4 times $75.99 times 1.12, and that's 340.44. We're good? Nod, yeah, okay. I circle that one, that's my final answer for A. For B, I need to figure out paint, right? 3 coats times 619. This is 1,857 square feet that need to be painted, right? And I have a problem that a can covers 22.2 square yards. 1 yard is 3 feet. We're good? Some of you are talking about it, so that's okay. 22.2 square yards. 1 square yard has 9 square feet. Cancel, cancel. And so we know now that that would be, I have that here as well. Give me 1 second. 199.8 square feet, correct? That also would be a full mark in my books. You converting. So instead of square yards, we have now how much square feet one can covers. So cans would be 1,857 square feet divided by 199.8 square feet. That would be 9.29 and something. So I need 10 cans of that. So the cost would be 10 times 84.74 times 1.12. So that's 847.4 times 1.12. So that's 949.09, correct? Are we good? Okay. C. That's the carpet, right? I'm running out of room, so I have to do it on the back side here. C for the carpet, C for carpet, right? So I'm going to convert the square inches right away. And that was, so sorry, square centimeters, right? Area of the floor would have been 15 times 20, which is 300 square feet. Okay. I know that one roll covers 83,612.7 square centimeters. I'm going to convert that. I don't know if I gave you this one, but 1 foot has 30.48 centimeters. I think I gave you that, right? We added that to our study, to our notes. I'm going to square this. And so that gives me 1 square foot would be 929.0304. You got that? We cancel that, so that would be 89.99. It keeps going square feet. So we know that one roll covers this square footage. We need to figure out what? Rolls, right? So we take the area to be carpeted, we divide it by 89.99, repeat it, and so we get, that gives me 3.33, keeps going, which is approximately 4 rolls. Okay? Cost 4 times 256.5 times 1.12. I actually got that one right in my key. So 1,149.12. What's the argument about? Just the paint? You're not sure if my answer is right? Okay, okay. D for installation. So we're told that for the 300 square feet, we're going to have to pay 85 cents per square foot, and we're going to tax that 5%, only GST. That one, I'm quite confident I got that one right. 267.75. Who said you're not sure? Right? This times 85 cents per square foot. And regardless of how you did it, right? Times 1.05. If you go times 0.05, then you have to add your answer to the 255. Okay. E, grand total. Let me just do this here. 75 plus. I'm just going to peek the other answers. I need to look at the other answers. 949.09. And primer 340.44. Okay, you ready? 2705.90. Wait. Oh yeah, I see. Watch my mistake here. I went 0.25 instead of 0.75. So I'm going to copy that and just change it to 75 and make sure I delete everything ahead of it. Oops. Is that it? 2706. 2706.40. There's your grand total. Okay. So, what is your? We're gonna quit here. I'm not gonna start my lesson. Way to go, guys. What is your homework? I would say if you haven't done the work, if you're still missing some work from previous sections that I assigned, like if you want to go back and do some converting, right? Just some converting, some word problem solving. I think I assigned from the workbook at one point. So I'm going to show you here where I want you to go for homework. So basically, if you go to page 7, any one of those pages in the workbook is good to go. You're good to go with that. If you want more, there's some textbook stuff right here. Okay. So this is homework for February 10th. Okay. So I spent more time than I wanted to on renovations, but that's fine because they are complicated. So on Monday we're going to do scale diagrams and scale factors and how to deal with that. Okay. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on convergence and Reynolds anymore, but still remember that I will throw ACs at you that may have that on it. Okay. All right, guys, you survived the first week.